Hello friends, welcome to Spoonful of Pleasure. Today we will make 7-spiced aromatic rice. It's very easy and very delicious. Let's get started. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We need some bay leaves, a stick of cinnamon, few pods of black cardamom, cloves, star anise, and mace. Of course, we need some rice. I'm using long-grained Basmati rice. You can use the rice of your choice. Wash it and soak it for 15-20 minutes. We'll take a pressure cooker with some ghee or butter. Put all the dry spices. Give it a toss. Once it turns aromatic, put the rice. Time for some salt and sugar as per taste. Give it a good mix. Now we will pour some water. Stir it well to make sure the rice doesn't stick the bottom. This is optional, but I use some saffron strands. Now close the lid of the pressure cooker. Turn off the gas after one whistle. Leave it for 15-20 minutes. Don't open it immediately. Your aromatic pulao is ready. Serve it hot with your favorite curry. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.